Ladies and gentlemen, I now have the pleasure to introduce to you Captain Nilesh Kawal, Manager Quality and Training, Mr. Scorpio Marine Management, India Private Limited. Captain Nilesh Kawal sailed on oil and chemical tankers in various ranks till master from 2000 to 2013. He is a DNV certified auditor for integrated systems, participated in vessel and office audits based on ISO, ISM, and TMSA. He is a DNV certified incident investigator, participated in high-level incident investigation within Scorpio fleet, which resulted in procedural changes. He is Swedish Academy certified soft skill trainer and have been involved in implementing Shell PIS program with the Scorpio fleet. From July 2014 to August 2015, he was a technical document controller in Maersk Drilling. He was in charge of reviews of manual and plans for drill rigs and drill ships in consultation with OIM and classification societies. From August 2015 to August 2017, he worked in Scorpio Marine Management India Private Limited as Senior Training Manager and later promoted as Manager Quality and Training. His responsibility includes training of 3,000 plus seafarers and 350 plus shore employees. This involves coordinating with 3 manning offices and 3 group offices around the globe. His quality responsibilities include external navigation audits for a fleet of tankers and bulk carriers, helping prepare to TMSA and preparing management reviews for the senior management. I now request Captain Nilesh Kawal to address the gathering, please.
Thank you, dear students, parents, congratulations. Deepak sir, Ajay sir, as usual, job well done. In spite of the pandemic, IMS has made sure that quality education, which IMS is known for, has been imparted to the cadets, and that is something which IMS can be really proud of. Scorpio has been associated with IMS for now almost 6 years. We started working with the late Mr. Asthana, God bless his soul, and now the baton has been passed to Mr. Deepak, which is, I think, the shoes are very nicely filled. I think Mr. Uday Purohit has actually summed the whole evening very well. There's nothing for us to say, like Suresh said. We cannot add too much to what already Uday has pointed out. But like he said, it's very important to be in the moment. It's very you can be. I have been in training now for some time, and I see that when people are searching for a job, when the cadets are searching for a job, they stop learning at that time. And at that particular moment of time, there's only one thing which is in your mind, that I should get a job, I should get a job. But we stop skilling ourselves. So that one fine day, that one job opportunity or that one interview comes up, you fall really short of in that interview because you have not been practicing. So that is something, by experience, I will tell you, it might be difficult to get a job, but don't lose focus on your skill, you're upskilling yourself, knowing your theories, knowing your practices very well, because that one fine day when that opportunity will arrive, you should be, ready to take it with both your hands. So that is the only advice I will give you. Rest, once you go on board, I think there are very good people on board who will mentor you, who will nurture you, and make you into a very good engineering officers for the whole Indian fleet and Indian populated fleet, I would say. So again, all the best, students and parents. A job well done, IMS Goa. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.